So today we're going to talk about tire keys, wheel keys, security lug nuts, and how they're distributed. Now, whether you're in normal times or SHTF, you're going to have to deal with security lug nuts. Now, this is a tool set for VWs, Volkswagens, to remove the security lug nuts. Now you'll notice here there's a bunch of spline sizes. This is the 10 most common number of splines for VWs. And this set goes from 8 splines to 21 and skips a few sizes. What you're going to run into is the fact that many vehicles will have these security lug nuts where you have to have an adapter like this to remove them. There are ways to remove them destructively, but those methods don't work all the time. If you are working on cars now or during SHTF, or you're salvaging tires and wheels, you're going to need things like this. This set is specific to Volkswagen. Mercedes has their own types, as do other manufacturers. The good thing is you can get these off of eBay, Amazon, Harbor Freight offers some, and they're not that expensive. Now, in the past, I've had a lot of people that lost their security key, which this is what it is. This fits on your lug nut wrench. So this is lug nut size, and on this side, you have your spline drive for removing your security key. And what the different manufacturers will do is they'll put one security lug on each tire on your car. Now, when people lose these and they try to get a replacement, what they find is they're not identified by the VIN number of the car or the year of manufacturer. So what you'll find, for instance, if you go to VW and you want a replacement one of these for your car because you lost yours, you can't give them the VIN number and get the right parts. You actually have to pull the hubcaps or lug covers and count the number of splines you have on your particular automobile. If you're unlucky, you may have two different sizes. There was one vehicle recently which I changed the tire on where the person had lost their lug nut key, similar to this one. And at the time, they didn't look to see that there was no security key on that particular tire. So I took that off without having to have a security key. Because when they rotated tires on that vehicle, they put 2 of these security nuts on one tire. So please comment, rate, subscribe. See you on the next video.